A few days ago, Ahrefs switched on a free domain rating API. No key, no limit, and there isn't a single video on it yet. I turned it into one of the best keyword research methods I could build, and I'm giving you the whole thing for free in the next couple of minutes. Before we start, let's just circle back to what KD or keyword difficulty is. And simply put, keyword difficulty is the number of referring domains pointing to a page that is ranking for the exact keyword. And the logic is quite simple. The lower the KD, the less referring domains there are pointing to that page, meaning that in theory it is very easy to rank for if you manage to produce quality content and generate more referring domains than the target page. However, in practice, this is not the case, and KD is one of the more misleading metrics, at least for beginners. The sad thing is that KD, which equals referring domains, does not equal or mean domain authority. And in practice, you can easily have situations like these ones. So in situation 1, you can have a very low referring domain count and a very high domain rating. An example would be a single Amazon page that is outranking you without really many pages pointing to it. And situation 2 is where you have quite a high count of referring domains, at least for the keyword, yet the domain authority of the website that is ranking for that page is quite low. So neither is ideal. This is why I always try to combine a competition level and domain authority. And this is why tools like Ahrefs or Lowfruits have a separate filter that allows you to filter by domain authority. And now we can finally do this for free using Claude Code and Claude Cowork. So first things first, you need to go to this page here, which is docs.ahrefs.com. You need to get to this Get Domain Rating Free page. All you have to do really is just copy this, go to Claude Cowork, and create a SKU. And once the SKU is created, you can do something like, I want you to give me average domain authority of pages ranking for the following keyword. And let's just assume this keyword is SEO writing AI review. As you can see, I have an active skill called Ahrefs DR Free, which I will be giving away inside of my community, but you can do this yourselves. It's pretty easy. So Claude says, got the top ranking domains, now pull in real Ahrefs DR for each. So as you can see, these are all of the domains that are ranking for that keyword and their respective DR. And if you want to take it a step further, you can say something like, I want you to use your web search feature and give me the top 3 ranking websites for SEO writing AI review and tell me what the lowest DR is within the top 3. Okay, these are the results. So the top 3 results are Trustpilot, Originality.ai, and WordsAtScale. And you take a note at my website here that is capable of ranking in the top 3 with DR of 25, just under these massive websites here. And we can do the same perform the same for the keyword of Agility Writer Review. Okay, as you can see, the top 3 results are WordsAtScale, Inbound Blogging, and Trustpilot. And I'm outranking DR60 and DR94 websites with my article. And I teach you how to do just that inside of my school community with my flagship search gap method. So go check it out. Now going back to Claude, we can do something that is even more indicative. Okay, I want you to output this as an opportunity score. And the opportunity score for Agility Writer Review is 75. And I'll tell you how this is calculated in a minute. But this is, in many cases, far better than just plain keyword difficulty. At least it's a very nice complementary score and metric that you can use. Now, let's just try and build this skill together from scratch. For this, I'll just deselect my current skill, open up a new session. I will paste in this link here. This should be sufficient. And we'll do something like this. Okay, I'm pasting a free DR checking API from Ahrefs. I want you to use it together with the default Claude's web search. And when you're checking specific keywords for me, I want you to output the results as website by website DR, but also an opportunity score per keyword. An opportunity score is calculated as the lowest DR inside of the top 3 organic results. So if the lowest DR is 25, then the opportunity score is 75. If the lowest DR is 50, the opportunity score is 50. If the lowest DR inside of the top 3 is 90, the opportunity score is 10. and I want you to package this as a skill. Okay, let me paste in the link. Call this skill free DR checker, and let's see what happens. I'll start by reading the Ahrefs API docs and invoking the skill creator. Your vault rules require it for any skill work. And yes, there is a skill called skill creator, and I have it in the memory that every time I'm packaging a skill, Claude should use the skill creator. The endpoint works, no key needed. Now invoking skill creator per your vault rules. And this keeps referencing my vault, but really what it is the Obsidian that is connected to my Claude, and this is my second brain. So if you want a separate video on that, I will record it, but there is plenty of videos regarding Obsidian already on YouTube. But basically, this is how my brain looks like inside of Claude. Okay, free DR checker is built and packaged. Click Save Skill. Okay, let's start a new task. I want you to run my free DR checker skill against the following keywords, and also show me the opportunity score as well. Rumora AI review, BlogSEO IO review, and this should be sufficient for testing purposes. So let's run this. As you can see, this is pulling live SERPs using the web search, so no external API is needed for that. Now I'll fetch DR and compute opportunity scores via the skill script, which is what we want. Beautiful. So for more AI review, the opportunity score is 87. For blog SEO review, the opportunity score is 97. And again, this is based on the lowest DR. So lowest DR here is 13, hence 87. Lowest DR here is 3, hence the opportunity score of 97. So again, this is a massive, massive opportunity, especially if you do decide to combine it with DataForSEO API. Okay, I want you to use my DataForSEO skill to fetch volume, clicks, and CPC for all of these keywords and complement them with the opportunity score. Now, DataForSEO is a paid API. I believe you can get $1 for free to test it out, but if you top it up, it lasts you for quite a while. So every time I top it up, it lasts me for at least a month. Now, if you want access to my free DR checker skill, you can do this for free. You can repeat the process, or you can go to my school community if you want access to other premium skills that are not part of my school community. For example, my LLM keyword research skill, which I have updated recently, so I'll be up in the price. My niche gap hunter, which is responsible for me finding lucrative niches, my programmatic SEO skill that builds programmatic SEO websites, and some other skills that are bundled together. You go to vibeseoskills.com and get your hands on all of my premium skills that I built for myself initially, spending days and weeks on end. Okay, in this concrete example, DataForSEO didn't return any data because these are very low competition keywords. Let's test it out on something different. I want you to give me the metrics and the opportunity score for the following keywords. French Bulldog types. This time we've gotten ourselves real volume. So the search volume for that keyword is 390. The CPC is almost $2. The competition is low, and the opportunity score is 70. So to me, this is way more telling than just low in the competition metric department. So there you have it, guys. Build it on your own. Get it from my school community and check out my premium skills as well. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.